In this video, we'll go over how to modify, compile, and execute custom user-defined functions in Autoline 1D and ST. This is one of the most powerful features of Autoline, allowing users to input their own custom properties for up to 10 different parameters. To get started, locate the user source folder, which is generated in the same location where the battery case file is saved. Inside, we'll see a list of the 10 available UDF files. Each UDF has a preamble, so to speak, which describes the specific parameter and provides important information about the standard units used for the given input. The remaining parts of the UDF file contain sections which are used to input custom properties in the form of constants, equations, and/or lookup tables. In each file, there are multiple blocks to account for case files which use mixed material chemistries. These can be edited by inputting specific parameters for the corresponding materials within the UDF file. As an example, let's first change the electrolyte diffusivity values. At the top up here, you'll see a small overview section in each UDF file which describes the specific parameters for each UDF. We'll use a reference formula for electrolyte diffusivity taken from the Journal of the Electrochemical Society and simply type the equation into the file. In this formula, as you can see, we're using the electrolyte concentration variable, which will make the diffusivity a function of the electrolyte concentration. Once this is done, we can click the Save button and exit the editor. Next, we'll use a lookup table to modify the cathode open circuit voltage, which will substitute the database OCV curve for a custom one derived from experimental data contained within a simple CSV file. To do this, we'll simply comment out the function section of the UDF and uncomment the lookup table section, and then we'll paste the path of the CSV file into the location here. Again, we'll save the file and exit the editor. Once you've modified all the UDFs for your simulation, the next step is to compile these files into a DLL file which can be read by Autoline. This can be done directly within the user interface under the Build tab at the bottom of the parameter list. Simply click the Build button and Autoline will automatically compile everything into one DLL file. Anytime you further modify any of the UDF files, this DLL file must be recompiled using the Build button. The last thing to do is double check that the settings for the desired parameters are set to UDF and not database. And once this is done, you should be ready to run the simulations. When we click Run, we will see the information in the initialization window, letting us know that the UDFs have been successfully compiled and read into the simulator. And that's it. Make sure to check out some of our other videos to learn more about some of the advanced features of Autoline. Thanks for watching.